Today we are looking at an Amos 4-core spiral. This unit was freshly removed right out of the plant today. The unit is in really good shape overall. This unit has an extended height of approximately 12 inches at the discharge and the lower discharge. These feet were added to it and welded to it. Did a pretty nice job doing it. This unit has 8 flight cores with the most desirable turnstile head on them. I don't see a lot of wear on this unit. This unit was set up in the plant where it could be bypassed, and I really don't think it was used all that much. I do see some paint is worn out of the inside, but that's pretty typical. The cores in this unit look to be in pretty good shape. I'm trying to show you the flutes on the cores. Of course, we have the turnstile feeder head. Hopefully you can see some of that. Pretty nice system. This unit does not have a top on it, so that would either need to be fabricated, or you could just build an extended hopper all the way around with steel or plywood. I've seen it done both ways for more capacity above the unit. This unit's readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. We have the world's largest inventory. Thank you for watching.